Welcome to a brief journey through the achievements of the National Ayush Mission, Uttarakhand, showcasing Uttarakhand's dynamic initiatives in information, education, and communication under Ayush. Major activities taken up last year included the Ayurvani podcast, Ayur Tarangini e-magazine, LED van promotions, animated videos, Ayush Gram, social media outreach, leaflet distribution, newspaper advertisements, seed paper rakis, Ritucharya calendars, digital kiosks, radio broadcasts, and Ayush clinics at Chardham and Mahakumbh. Through vibrant newspaper ads in English and Hindi dailies, Ayurveda's concepts of Prakruti Parikshan, Dincharya, Ritucharya, and Panchkam therapies reached every corner of the state. More than 50 advertisements were published in newspapers. On Raksha Bandhan last year, over 16,000 eco-friendly seed paper rakis were distributed to promote herb plantation among children. More than 100 villages were given specific medicinal plants for community awareness, and the village was named after the medicinal plant distributed. Over 10,000 Ritucharya calendars were distributed, guiding citizens on Ayurveda's seasonal practices. Desk calendars on Ayurvedic Ritucharya were also shared with various government offices, including the State Secretariat. Suvan Prashan-based immunization benefited more than 2,300 children across 13 districts. This was taken up as a pilot project. A Prakrati Parikshan portal was operationalized by the mission, along with installation of kiosks at selected locations, including the State Secretariat. Around 60,000 people explored these digital kiosks, learning about body constitution-based Ayurvedic advice. The Ayurvani podcast series was initiated, under which one podcast was launched every month with eminent Ayurveda stalwarts. 12 health topics were covered, and the show was streamed across various social media platforms. Our monthly e-magazine Ayur Tarangini attracted an eager readership, crossing 10,000 readers, with 6 editions published by March 2025. Promotional LED vans travelled over 1,300 kilometers, boosting awareness of the World Ayurveda Congress among the public. IEC materials were distributed effectively using their reach. More than 10 animated videos were published to engage children and Gen Z students. Basic concepts of Ayurveda were explained creatively in regional dialects. For strengthening grassroots Ayush, 13 villages are being promoted as Ayush Gram. Dincharya and Ritucharya concept is being taught, along with distribution of Dincharya kits. Herbal gardens were established. Yoga sessions and various camps are also being organized across the Ayush Gram. Social media campaigns reached over 5 lakh citizens. WhatsApp promotions alone engaged 4 lakh users, with more than 2 lakh viewers on the departmental website. Radio jingles in local dialects were aired on top radio channels. These campaigns amplified Ayush awareness among nearly 2 million listeners, including remote regions through channels like Oho Radio, Radio Rishikesh, and Red FM. Over 3,900 health camps under Ayurvedya promoted Ayurveda in schools, benefiting more than 2 lakh students. Printed IEC materials were also distributed for greater awareness. Geriatric camps conducted by 300 Ayushman Arogya Mandirs reached over 8,000 elderly citizens. Extensive public outreach through 2,370 health camps benefited more than 60,000 people across Uttarakhand. Printed IEC material was distributed to spread awareness in these camps as well. Special Ayush stalls were set up at Badrinath, Gangotri, and Narayankoti during the Yatra season to promote Mama Chikitsa and Agnikam. Similarly, the Mahakumbh offered holistic healing to thousands of pilgrims, along with the promotion of Prakruti Parikshan and Mama Chikitsa concepts.